Ambi Group is renowned for its work in Portuguese and Spanish markets in the area of controlled demolitions and the dismantling of metal structures carried out over the last 20 years. These operations include controlled demolitions of buildings and concrete structures, industrial and urban demolitions, bridges, overpasses and tall structures. Ambi Group also dismantles structures and industrial equipment, including aircraft and marine vessels. The group manages and recycles waste produced at each site. Ambi Group is the perfect environmental management partner for your company.